where animals of all kinds live and play. Today, let's meet some of our furry and feathered friends and learn about their important roles on the farm. Oink, oink! I'm a pig, and I love rolling in the mud to keep cool. On the farm, I help by turning over the soil with my snout, making it ready for planting crops. Moo! I'm a cow, and I provide milk for delicious dairy products like cheese and yogurt. Farmers also use my manure to fertilize the fields. Cluck, cluck! I'm a chicken, and I lay eggs for people to eat. I also help control pests by eating insects around the farm. Nay! I'm a horse, and I help farmers by pulling plows and wagons. I also provide transportation around the farm. I'm a sheep, and my wool is used to make warm clothing. I also help keep the grass trimmed by grazing in the fields. Quack, quack! I'm a duck, and I love swimming in ponds. Farmers keep ducks around to eat pests like snails and slugs. Bleed! I'm a goat, and I help farmers by clearing brush and weeds with my love for munching on plants. My milk is also used to make cheese and soap. Woof! I'm a farm dog, and I help protect the animals from predators. I'm also a loyal companion to the farmers and help herd livestock. Meow! I'm a farm cat, and I keep the barns free of mice and rats. I also love to nap in the sun and play with string. Hop! Hop! I'm a rabbit, and I help fertilize the soil with my droppings. I also provide a source of meat and fur for the farmers. It, a fun and educational look at the different farm animals and their important roles. Next time you visit a farm, be sure to say hello to these amazing creatures. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Until next time, keep shining bright with all the colors of the rainbow.